Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be on automatic discounts. The holiday season is here, and we're doing lots of sales, especially during this season and this time of the year. We just passed our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, and there's a lot more sales coming up. So some companies are going to participate in Christmas sales, some companies are going to participate in New Year sales, and then some companies are just participating in, holiday seasonal sales. And so whatever you decide to participate and partake in for your company is completely up to you. But I do want to show you how you can create an automatic discount for your website and for your customers. Now, we have touched on creating different discount codes in the past. And typically when I create a discount code, I'm creating multiple codes because they're tiered discounts, meaning you'll get this percentage or this dollar amount off if you purchase this amount. And if you purchase above this amount, then you get this off. And so typically, I do multiple codes and I advertise them on my website. However, for the holiday sale that I'm going to start on Friday, I'm actually going to do an automatic discount. And so I'm going to show you all how to do that. If you're not signed into your Shopify account, or if you don't have Shopify at all, it's not too late to change over. You can definitely switch over to Shopify by clicking the link down below in this video and choosing the plan that works best for you. But I am going to be demonstrating through my Shopify account. So if you are interested, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned, we have gone over discount codes in the past, and if you haven't watched those videos and if you are interested, please go back and view some of the videos in my playlist. I have hair business playlist as well as entrepreneurial, just business in general playlist. So take a look at some of those. So the first thing that you want to do is click on create an automatic discount, and this is what's going to pop up. So you can choose what you want your automatic discount to say or to reflect. Now keep in mind, this is going to be viewable and visible for your customers to see. So you want to make sure that it's something that's fitting, that goes along with the sale that you're offering. So you can put something like Christmas sale, you can do something like holiday savings or holiday sale. Whatever is going to work best for the theme of your discount is what I recommend that you put down. And again, customers will be able to see this in their cart at checkout. Sometimes you're able to, on certain apps, you're able to, put yourself mental notes and different notes that only stay behind the scenes. But I do want to let you know what you put in this box is going to be visible for your customers. So keep that in mind. Now, you can also choose the different types of the discount that you are going to offer, just like with the other discount option. So you can choose if you want to do a percentage, if you're going to do like a buy one, get one free. And then you can also choose the discount value. So how much are your customers going to get off? The next section is minimum requirements. So is there a minimum purchase amount? So I went ahead and I clicked save on accident. I didn't mean to do that, but I saved $32. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that. But you can choose what your minimum purchase amount is going to be in order to receive a discount. Now, along with choosing the minimum purchase amount, you can also choose a minimum quantity of items. So if you didn't want to choose an amount, if you wanted your customers to have a specific amount that they have to order before they can receive the discount, you can specify that here as well. So you can say something along the lines of, 2 or 3. And what that's going to tell the system is that your customers have to purchase at least 2 or 3, whatever you decide to go with, products in order to get this discount. The next section is going to be the dates. So the active dates, when do you want the discount to start? So the discount can start as soon as you go ahead and put all the information in. So it can start right now if you choose to, or you can wait and schedule it out. Like I mentioned, I'm going to start my discount on Friday. It's just going to give me some time to do a little bit of advertising and promotion, and market that discount. So I'm going to send out an email. So if you're not subscribed to my mailing list, make sure that you go over to my website. It is down below in the description of the video. It's badchickhair.com, and sign up for my mailing list. That way you are notified whenever I'm offering a sale or a discount, or whenever I get new products or make changes. You are going to, be the first to know. So make sure that you're visiting my website if you haven't done so already. And right here, I'm just showing you how the minimum quantity of items work. So literally you can put in almost any number that you choose. And then also you can choose what this discount is going to apply to. So is it going to apply to the entire order, only specific collections or specific products? And you can go ahead and click browse, and it's going to bring up different products from your online store. So then you'd go ahead and you'll choose the products that this discount is going to be applicable to or for. Now you can always go back in and change it. Once you click save, like you saw in the beginning of the video, you can definitely go back and edit. You know, you don't have to run with that. It's not etched in stone. So if you decide to change the name from holiday discount to Christmas sale, then you can go ahead and do that. I would just recommend to have the names correlate. So if it's going to be a holiday discount, then that's what you want to make sure that you're advertising in your newsletters or in your marketing material or on your social media, just so that everything aligns and so it's more clear and clean cut for your customers. Keep in mind, as business owners, we know what we're trying to show. We know what we're wanting to get across to our customers. We know how to navigate our website. We know what our intentions are, but a lot of people don't know that. And so we have to do a great job of explaining, you know, everything thoroughly and correlating the discount code. So just keep that in mind. On my website, it does say, you can't see it right now, but it does say Christmas savings. I'm going to go ahead and update that in a little bit and select or put, you know, holiday savings or holiday sale, just so that it aligns. So what I'm going to do right now is just choose a bundle deal from my website, and I'm going to show you how the discount code is going to look to your customers. So I'm just going to put in a test email. Now, I set the discount code to Friday, remember? So once I put in the information, nothing's going to populate because the discount hasn't started yet. So I'm going to show you both ways. Right now, I'm showing you how it looks because nothing has populated yet. Or I haven't, you know, the sale hasn't started yet, so there's nothing there. It just says gift card or discount code. This gives your customers an option to type in a code if you've given them one, or if you have another code from, you know, previous sales or promotions. But I'm going to go ahead and change the discount to actually start right now so that you can see what it looks like when the discount is actually active. So I'm just choosing today at 1:42 p.m. And this is what it's going to look like. So it gives you the subtotal, and then it also gives you the discount, and it shows the discount name, whatever name you decided to label the discount, and also the discount amount. So I really like it this way just because customers, they don't have to guess if the discount was applied or not. It's right there. A lot of customers don't necessarily like putting in the discount codes, or they may have trouble putting in the discount codes. Maybe they, you know, typed in the wrong letter or too many numbers, or, you know, maybe they just forgot the code. And so a lot of customers really lean toward the automatic discounts and really find it seamless. And so I just wanted to give you a brief video on how to add automatic discounts to your website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.